What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And here we go today with the Palisade again. We gonna install the door cup protector. So these are the door cup protector right here. There's 4 of them. So basically what it does is it's gonna help you from like getting scratch on your door cup by key, or just like by touching it with like fingernail and stuff. So this is gonna help you from getting it scratched. So this is my first time installing it. Also, I've been watching like a couple of videos of how to installing it. So basically you're gonna need like some spray bottle with like a water solution, of a bottle like this with like 3 drops of soap. Any kind of soap is work, like this soap or hand soap is work as well, and a microfiber towel to clean your surface. All right, let's get started. Okay, so after cleaning it off first time, and then you gotta spray it to get it wet again. Make sure you get your hand wet as well, so you don't leave any fingerprint on your firm. Okay, and then next step is to get your firm. So I'm gonna take one piece out, so be careful. And then spray on the back side of it. Alright, now let's get it in. Make sure you line them up first. Alright, line them up at the top, line them up in the bottom before you press it in. Line them up like that. Just one door cup down. It's look easy when I looked at it, but it's actually not. It requires a lot of patience, and it's like you cannot move it too fast, you cannot move it too slow. It cannot be too wet, it couldn't be too dry, but I got it in. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like this one right here. Yep, that's the door cup protector. So it's one down. We got 3 more to go, guys. Okay, let's do it. This is the second one, and you can see the firm is right here. So 2 down, 2 more to go. Third one is in. One more to go. You can see the film now. It's beautiful. It's fit nice. Perfectly fit. One more to go. That's the result right there. All four of them is in, and from what I can say, it's not that too hard if you're trying to do it at home by yourself. But just gotta watch like a couple of video and listen for like a couple of advice or something like that. But this is my first time doing it, and it turned out pretty good, guys. So I think if you could do it on one car, I'm pretty sure you could do it on any other car. They're basically the same thing. It's just door cup puller, protector. This look good. This look really good. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next video. Alright, peace.